Welcome back to Invincibles, everyone. So the market has been pretty slow today, but however, AMC has been picking up volume throughout the day. I'm going to go over exactly which levels we need to hold above and break above to have a continuation. What exact levels do we need to break above to have that major breakout and possible squeeze play? And also where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss them again. And I'll ask in return as you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. And before we get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts throughout the day. We mentioned AMC at $45 today, coming all the way up to around $48, going 600 hours, looking to see if we can break over this resistance that we have been getting since the other day when we did break out. Yesterday, we mentioned RNXT on a major breakout from that halt, up 150% on that breakout. And then last week, we had that 400% breakout with SPRT from $14.80, jumping up to $60 within the next day. And also, we mentioned BBIG on Friday in pre-market from $3.50, jumping all the way up to $10.50 going to pre-market yesterday. So again, if you guys do want to see all of these breakout alerts throughout the day, go to invincibles.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. So I'm going to go over AMC with you guys here on the 4-hour chart, and I want to go over this with you guys because, again, we did mention yesterday, and we've been mentioning this for the last couple weeks, that we could possibly have the breakout if we do have, again, this 20-day moving average continue on up and continue to curl up, and it looks like we are curling up. Again, we mentioned yesterday, again, we were coming down, testing the 50-day moving average, and sure enough, we bounced off of it coming into today, as you guys can see here. So again, we are looking to see if we can test those previous rejection points that we saw around $48, looking to see if we can hold over $48 going to tomorrow. So again, on the 4-hour chart, we're looking to see if we can hold over $48 going to tomorrow, and then breaking over that $58 major rejection point that we did have. Again, we had our bull flag at this point, we had our consolidation, and then we could not break the body of the candle and hold above this $58 mark. So again, breaking over 58 is very key for us. But however, going to tomorrow, we're going to be looking to see if we can hold over $48 to have this continuation. And again, we do like the 20 moving average that is curling up here. Again, you guys can see we were curling up. We came back down. You guys can see we had the sell off from that $48 rejection. And again, we mentioned in yesterday's video that this could be the beginning of a major breakout here with AMC. And again, we did mention this because as you guys can see here, we did have that major breakout from $14.50. Again, having that breakout, as you guys can see, bouncing off the 20 moving average, coming back down, and then as you guys can see, bouncing right off of it as it did curl back up. And as you guys can see here, we may have that happen here if we can crawl back up over $48 and then possibly test that $58 mark for that confirmation. And again, in my opinion, to get that confirmation, again, I want to make sure we do justify every one of these breakouts to make sure we do have consistent breakouts. As you guys can see here, we are increasing in buy pressure recently, but however, as you guys can see going to today, again, we do have that increase in buy pressure, looking to see if we can continue with this increase in buy pressure. We do like how the EMA lines are crossing above the MACD here, showing us that we could continue. Again, as you guys can see previously, we had the EMA lines crossing up and gave us that continuation on that breakout, and we are looking for the same thing to happen here, is for these EMA lines to cross back up and to give us that continuation on that buy pressure. Again, as you guys can see, we could have set that alert right above our previous buy pressure points at that point in time, and we would have had that alert and that confirmation on that momentum going to the upside here on AMC from $14.50, jumping all the way up to $75 on that breakout. And as you guys can see, we came all the way up with that buy pressure, and we got that decrease in buy pressure, which gave us that continuation on that momentum going to the downside from then. So we are looking for the same thing to happen. We're looking to see if we can increase in buy pressure just like we did previously. So we're going to be setting our alert right above our previous buy pressure point here, so that way if it does break above it, then we will get that confirmation on that momentum. And also, as you guys can see here, we have the 20-day moving average, again, the yellow line, crossing above the 50-day moving average here, the red line, and we're looking to see if we can continue with that momentum. Again, we have the same thing happen back here when we did cross above and when we did continue. So again, on the 4-hour chart, again, is our swing perspective, and we are looking to see if we can get that major continuation and possible major momentum here on AMC, as the market has been pretty slow, giving us a lot of momentum coming in with AMC and possibly a lot of traders being interested in AMC in this moment in time when we are choppy. And again, if the market continues to be choppy, then again, AMC, in my opinion, continues to be on the watch. We did alert this one at $45 today, and again, in my opinion, AMC definitely on the watch for a continuation if we do continue on up past that $48 mark with that momentum. Again, we need that confirmation here on this buy pressure. Now, I do like how we are increasing in buy pressure here, but however, as you guys can see yesterday, we were decreasing in buy pressure, and you guys can see we were looking to see if we can increase in buy pressure just like we did previously when we came down. We gave us that increase in buy pressure with the EMA lines above the MACD. We're looking for the same thing to happen here. If we can continue on up with this buy pressure and again break over this alert here, then we will have that confirmation on that momentum, in my opinion. And again, this is not financial advice. This is only what I would be doing. And again, everybody that has been supporting the channel, everybody that has been in the comment section, as always, I appreciate every one of you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.